Welcome to the Dr. R. Craft CSS navigation bar tutorial. When hosting a big website, it may be good to add easy-to-use navigation for your visitors. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to create a navigation bar using simple CSS. Let's start by making a vertical navigation bar. So first, we have to style the unordered list, and the reason why we're using an unordered list is because a navigation bar is mainly just a list of links, so the use of these makes perfect sense. Let's start by removing the list markers by setting the list style type to none, and then remove any margins or padding so that it's now flat like this. And so now let's style the links or A elements as block elements. Now this will make the whole area clickable, but we want a fixed width for each of these A elements. So do width 100 pixels. And now not just the text is clickable, but the 100 pixel specified area is also clickable. So now let's add a background color and change the text color. And so let's remove the underline on the links and also center align these text. Now you can see it looks like this. And now let's boldface this text. And now let's make it show in all uppercase letters. And now I don't think there's enough space around the text, so let's add padding. And now this looks better. And now let's add some interactivity. So when any of these links are hovered or active, then we want to change the background color. And now you can clearly see when we're hovering these links. So now we've successfully made a vertical navigation bar, but now let's see how we can make a horizontal navigation bar. Now to create a horizontal navigation bar, we could set the list items display to inline, but it wouldn't work with our custom styles since we want all these links to be equal width, and inline elements cannot have width. So now let's go back to this example with the custom styles and see if we can make this vertical navigation bar into a horizontal one. So we do li for list items, and then we should probably make them float to the left like this. And now you can see we've created a horizontal navigation bar, which you can click on one of these links and it will instantly take you to any section of your website. This concludes the CSS navigation bar tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.